I'm going to continue reading a passage, passage from the Metamorphosis. Not until it was twilight did Gregor awake out of a deep sleep, more like a swoon than a sleep. He would certainly have waked up of his own accord not much later, for he felt himself sufficiently rested and well slept. But it seemed to him as if a fleeting step and a cautious shutting of the door leading into the hall had aroused him. The electric lights in the street cast a pale sheen here and there on the ceiling and the upper surfaces of the furniture. But down below where he lay, it was dark. Slowly, awkwardly, trying out his feelers, which he now first learned to appreciate, he pushed his way to the door to see what had been happening there.